Jason with Malouf. I want to welcome you to the 2019 market. Hopefully you had a chance to check out our space, but if you did, we're going to give you a quick tour of some of the highlights. So let's come take a look. So the big announcement at this market is the introduction of our Weekender product line to our wholesale accounts. Up until now, it's been exclusively for the hotel industry because it's hotel grade quality product, but what we're doing is allowing you to use this for promotions. With the Weekender line, we offer exceptional quality at phenomenal price points. Now in this line, we have 4 different protectors that are hotel grade quality and actually give you triple protection. And in addition to that, we have 5 different pillows that again are available for all kinds of really cool promotional use. Now, we've also got another introduction at the market that I'll come show you over here. We're really excited to add to our woven collection our new Chambray Comforter Set. You'll take a look at it, it's actually reversible, and the chambray inspired cover is a really beautiful way to dress up your bedroom and add a touch of class at a great price point. The other nice thing is we actually have 2 different color options that are available too, so it's received a great response and we're really excited for everyone to start stocking it. At this Vegas market, we also held our Forging Freedom event on Monday. It was a huge success and we really want to thank everyone who attended and made the magic happen. And if you didn't attend, we want to invite you to come join us next year. So for this year's market, I want to say thanks and we'll look forward to seeing you next year. So for now, goodbye.